I'm Abhishek Malviya and my friend Ajit Sharma going to present our presentation on our internship on automatic washing machine simulations provided by emertxe Information Technology on embedded system.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I Ajit Sharma from Samrat Ashok Technological Institute is here to present a project on the embedded system in which we have made a washing machine design using different softwares like PixelLab, NPLab XID and others. So washing machine have become an integral part of human being in order to perform their daily course of the washing machine clothes. Over a course of time with the advancement in technology, different types of washing machine have been come in market. This has been possible due to advancement in the embedded system. Through this, we try throw light over system of the washing machine and its working with few additional features. So here the content is provided. How we have started project objective is first we have uh, shown the project objective, introduction, key learning, and C programming. Project requirement like hardware and software. What we have used like component details, microcontroller we have used, digital keypad, CD, CL timer, interrupts, MPLX ID, and Pixel F. These both are the software and hard software which we are using to make this whole project like washing machine project. uh, so we will start from the project objective. The project objective is to develop a washing machine interface and to simulate it with display and allow the user to select washing programs and water level long press of a button using the digital key. Simulation which display the washing machine cycle and start stop of machine based on the status of covering lid and give buzzer sound. Like in our normal washing machine, we always hear a buzzer sound, or we have a dials to change the speed or rotation of the motor, and according to it, its work. Like the whole system is based on that chip. In this, we have made an automatic washing machine functionality using microcontroller-based embedded system, a washing machine interface, and simulated, in which we have given a display different washing machine programs and water level using digital keypad. A simulation will display the washing machine's functional cycle, like washing and drying and rising the clothes, start and stop of the machine based on status of covering lid, and give a buzzer sound. Now here is the key learning of the internship program, embedded system C, like data types point. Here this is the key learning of the internship program, embedded C like data text pointer, basic data structures, function call and definitions. Here we have used the board, the simulation board like PIC16F877A, in which pins, timer, and interrupters are used. Hardware like switching circuit, LCD display, fans, and buzzers. Now in this we are using a C program. And what is meant to a C program? C programming is a general purpose programming language created by Dennis Ritchie at the Bell's Laboratory in 1972. C used effective in various specific domains and its free formatted language and efficiency and portability, in which we can display like number system, decimal, octal has the decimal binary, data representation like bit, byte, words, data types, intervals, conditional structure like single iteration, if else statements, else and switch case, multiple iteration, while do while for, and conditional continuous break. Now project requirements like hardware and software are like PIC16F877 microcontroller, which we will get in Pixel Lab only. That at the upper side we have to change it. There are more, but we have to use this. Hardware requirement like fan, keypad, buzzer, timer, and interrupt microcontroller. Software required like MPLF, XID, and XC8 as compiler. which is used to implement our code and compile it so that our washing machine microcontroller can work properly. And the hardware component details like microcontroller, PIC, microchip corporation manufacture a series of microcontroller chips named as peripheral interface controller, or specified or simply called as PIC, also called programmable interface controller. The term PIC is normally used to describe the microcontroller developed by Microchip Corporation. PIC 16F877 is the most advanced microcontroller from Microchip. This controller is widely used for experimental and modern applications. Because of a low price, wide range of application, high quality and low availability, it is ideal for machine control and application. Now, this is the microcontroller PIC 1816F877. Here, this IC chip, this is the IC of that microcontroller, or this is microcontroller only, where 40 pins are available, and these 40 pins have different functions. Like it is a 8-bit microcontroller. CPU speed is 5 million instructions per second. 256 bytes EEPROM, double EEPROM memory, program memory, 14.3 kilobytes. RAM size is 368 bits. Asynchronous serial portals, 40 pin device. Now there was the microcontroller we will be using. Now the hardware component details like digital keypad, pick 16F877A, PIC185 using matrix keypad with 4x4 configuration and array of tactical switches. Form a digital keypad at the lowest level. Keyboards are organized in a matrix of row and column. The microcontroller accesses both row and column through ports when a key is pressed and a row and a column needs a contact, otherwise there is no connection between the row and column. Why you can see from here that like how keyboard is attached with the microcontroller, different pins, how LCD displays attached to different. The connection can be made according to the pins required in the microcontroller. Now the hardware component details like are continued here, like timer, in which we have used a timer only. Timer also, the timer is important part of microcontroller. Timer is basically a counter which is driven from either by external clock pulse, on the microcontroller internal oscillator. A timer can be 8-bit or 16-bit wide. Data can be loaded into timer under program control, and timer can be stopped and start by program control. Most timer can be configured to generate interrupt when they reach certain count. A timer is used because sometimes we are putting a timer that after this time it has to be closed, or up to this time it has to be rotate the the motor in which the motor which is used in the washing machine. For so a timer is basically an important part which make our work easy, and also saves our time. Here the details are continued, like interrupt a special event that require immediate attention. It stop microcontroller and microprocessor from the running task and serve a special task known as interrupt service. Interrupt sources external RB port change parallel slave port, ADS, USAT receive, USAT transmit, serial ports, capture compare PW, capture compare PW like CCPI1 and CCPI2, TMR2 and PR2 match comparator, prom right bus collision. This is the LED which we have LED used in this from diode. The, now the details about the fan is given here. The microcontroller work as a similar concept where we are about to control the speed of DC motor fan based on an external temperature. The rise of temperature will result in increase in speed of motor and fan and vice versa. These types of temperature control fans can generally be used to maintain temperature of a room or object automatically. The buzzer in the buzzer is also used in embedded system. Buzzer various events perform various events such as end of process and in emergency situation widely used to notify like detection of fire. And now it is the details about the software we have used like MPLab XIDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. MPLab XIDE Development Environment is an expandable, highly configurable software program that incorporates powerful tools to help discover, configure, develop, debug, and qualify embedded designed for most of the microcontroller and digital signal controller. It works seamlessly with MPLab development ecosystem of software and tools, many of which are completely free. MPLab XID brings a host of features to help you quickly debug your project, minimize your development time, and some newer functions. Data visualizer: no need to purchase extra visualization tools since real-time streaming data can be viewed in data visualizer. It is easy to use like register and bit definition are just like a key away. Include the complex XIP for production level programming. Now the PiximLab means
Simulator library. PiximLab is a real-time emulator is developed to board with MPLX IDE, which supports a various microcontroller, which is integrated with M3X Lab IDE and also integrated with programming of Arduino. A microcontroller boards it as the purpose of PiximLab to emulate a real hardware and does not have any source code editing. It have a code editing support. PiximLab such as MPLX IDE or a VS Code also supportable. And going to the next slide, which here is a picture of Pixim Lab, which and we which in which we are using a PIC Genius board, which having a microcontroller which is PIC16F 877A microcontroller, which is a 8-bit microcontroller, and it is the interface of MPLABX IDE in which we are going to code. Now we are going now there are automatic washing machine features like a washing machine is an electronic device that is designed to wash laundry like cloth and sheet. A principal operations of automatic washing machines, like washing machine is a split three cycles: wash cycle, rise cycle, and dry cycles. Fully automatic machines, this type of washing machines take care of everything such as taking water, washing, rising, and drying clothes. In the case the user has to select the washing program, heavy, delicate, and this type of cloth with each category. The wash level prior to the start and washing cycles. In the sensor dedicate the time required to wash number and to rise the split required basis on the washing program and choose one of the water level. Now we are going to demo our project. Thank you Ematex for giving us a wonderful opportunity. Thank you. So by once we have done our code in microcontroller, we can see that there is a there the power screen is on, and the instruction has said that press key 5 to uh, power on our washing machine. So pressing key 5, there is a powering on animation appear in our NRC CLCD screen. There is a 12 washing programs like daily, heavy, delicate. We can only see 3 by 3. So by to giving a scrolling effect, we have to select one of these program, but uh, there are only 3 programs. Uh, for selecting more programs, we have to scroll down uh, the display. So we have to press RB3 key for scrolling and selecting our program. There are many like stain, wash, eco, woolen, wet sheet, raise and dry, dry only, wash only, aqua store, daily, and heavy, and etcs. So for demo purpose, I am choosing heavy washing. So for selecting one of these program, pressing RB3 key, long pressing RB3 key. So entering R and choosing our program, we have to press RB3, long pressing the RB3 key. Once for entering when enter to the our next program. So there are 5 mode for the water level like auto, low, medium, high, maximum, and etcs. Choosing one of these like auto. For starting our washing machines, we have to press key switch 5, and for stop our program, we have to press key switch once. uh, for starting our eco cotton, there is 28-second program, but in real life there are more time, but for the demo we are only giving it 20 seconds. Once the process has been started, the cooling fan is also starting for reducing and excel the heat which is generated by the machines. And for pausing the machine, we are pressing key 6. Now you can see that the cooler has stopped and the timer has also stopped. uh, for resuming the program, we have to press key 5. Once the process has been done, the flash message has been flashed. The washing has been complete, and keep remove your clothes. So once the process has been done, we have returned to our main window for next work. uh, so now we are going to explain the programming code which have been used for programming this washing machine. Thank you, emertxe, for giving us a wonderful opportunity. Thank you.